Hello friends, today I'd like to show you how to harvest seed pods of different decorative aloe and why to don't plant them right away. Maybe you didn't know there are so many very nice small decorative aloe plants. Some are from nature and some are by crossing different ones that don't live next to each other in nature, so they can't cross, but in pots they can be crossed, they can be hybridized, and then you get new types that you can name your grandchildren after. I did that few times. Let me show you. With a Q-tip I transferred the pollen from one succulent to another, and I planted the seeds, and that's how I got the aloe hybrids. Here are some 7 months old seedlings. Each one a little different than another. You see? Just like little human babies are no two alike. And the subject of this particular video is why I don't plant the seeds right away when I harvest it. And why do I harvest it earlier than they're really ready to be planted? Let me show you. One would think that the nature wouldn't want to hurry up before the things are ready. But that's not exactly so. Here is one decorative aloe that I crossed with this one. This flower stem is already harvested, but this one I'm going to today. Here is the youngest seed pod, and here are the oldest, and I don't know if the camera can focus on it, that you can see the seed pod already cracked. And this one, if I don't harvest it, the seeds might start to fall out. But why to harvest the whole thing already? Well, because if you take a look on the stem, it's already dry. The plant already is not feeding the seed pods. It's a desert plant. It's a dark, dry climate, tropical plant. A plant that learned that when the weather dries up the stem that feeds the seeds prematurely, and so it's already actually disconnected from roots, you can say, it can still keep on going ripening. And so I will cut the seed pods from this one. I already have it here in a jar, and let them ripen some more before planting. And that's my little explanation of hybridizing, making new types of decorative aloe. And it also goes for relatives of aloe. One group is called Haworthia. They kind of look like small aloe, aren't they? And another group is called Gasteria. They kind of look like a open book. They have a similar stems of flowers with seed pods, except much thinner. They're in nature pollinated by insect. The aloe has a little thicker, but these are just the relatives of aloe. Okie dokie artichoke. That's the end of my little video about harvesting seeds of these wonderful, beautiful plants. Okay, mission accomplished. Seed pods cut, labels made, who is the mama and who is the papa, and in a week or 2 or 3, depending on weather and time, I'll be planting new hybrids.